Hello, welcome to Maths Tuition Hub. In this video, we will go through some word problems using money. These problems cover various aspects of handling money, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and percentage calculations, which are very crucial for 11 plus exam preparation. So get ready with a pen and a paper to solve these questions with me. Sarah has 45 pounds. She spends 12 pounds 75p on a book and 18 pounds 50p on a new shirt. How much money does she have left? Please pause the video and solve. The total amount Sarah has 45 pounds and she spent 12 pounds 75 on book and then 18 pound 50 on a new shirt. So add these two together to find the total spent. So when you add the decimals, you have to put the point under the points, and the total spent is 31 pounds 25, and we need to work out how much money left out from 45 pounds. So now 45 take away 31 pounds 25p. So we don't have decimals for 45, so we need to use zeros as placeholders. So the money left is 13 pounds 75. So the answer is 13 pounds 75. James has 3 times as much money as Peter. If Peter has 15 pounds, how much money do they have altogether? Pause your video and solve. Peter has 15 pounds. James has 3 times as much money as Peter. So James's amount is 3 times 15. So 15 times 3 is 45. And now we add 15 pounds Peter's amount and 45 pounds James's amount to find the total amount. So is 60 pounds. So the answer is 60 pounds. Emma buys 3 pencils for 1 pound 20p each and 2 erasers for 75p each. How much does she have spent in total? Pause video and solve. Three pencils, 1 pound 20p each. So 1 pound 20 times 3, which is 360. So because we are doing decimal multiplication, we need to place the decimal point after 2 digits from the right side. So that will be 3 pound 60. And 2 erasers for 75p each. We do 75p times 2. It's 150. So place the point again. 2 digits. Count two digits from the right side and put the point. And we have 3 pound 60 and 1 pound 50. Add them together to get the total cost. So the total cost is 5 pound 10. 5 pound 10 is the answer. A cinema ticket costs 7 pound 50p. If a family of 4 wants to go to the cinema, how much will it cost in total? Pause your video and solve. Cost per ticket is 7 pound 50. Family of 4 wants to go to cinema. So 7 pounds 50 times 4 is 3000 and place the decimal point 2 digits from the right side and put the point, and then we get 30 pounds. Answer is 30 pounds. Tom has 50 pounds. He buys a toy for 19 pounds 99p and a book for 8 pounds 75p. He then receives 5 pounds from his uncle. How much money does he have now? Pause your video and solve. Tom has 50 pounds at the beginning. He spent 19 pounds 99 for a toy and then 8 pounds 75 for a book, and total spent is add 19 pounds 99 and 8 pounds 75p. So when you are adding, place the point under the point and you get the point in the answer as well. So the total spent is 28 pounds 74p, and we need to work out how much money left out from 50 pounds. So take away 28 pounds 74p from 50 pounds. Need to do borrowing subtraction here. Point under the point again. So the money left over is 21 pounds 26, and then he received 5 pounds from his uncle. Add that 5 pounds to 21 pounds 26. So he now has 26 pounds 26p. Answer is 26 pounds 26p. A shop offers 20% discount on an item originally priced at 80 pounds. What is the discounted price? Pause video and solve. Original price is 80 pounds and there is a 20% discount on 80 pounds. So we need to work out 20% of 80 pounds. Convert 20% as a fraction, 20 over 100, and times by 80. Cancel 2 zeros from the numerator and 2 zeros from the denominator. We'll get 16 pounds, and discounted amount is 16 pounds. And now we take away 16 pounds from the original amount 80 pounds. We'll get 64 pounds. So the price after the discount is 64 pounds. The answer is 64 pounds. Lucy wants to buy 5 notebooks. Each notebook costs £2.85p. If she has £20 note, how much change will she receive? Pause the video and solve. Cost of each notebook is £2.85. Lucy wants to buy 5 of these notebooks. So £2.85 times 5. We multiply 285 by 5. We'll get 1425. Now place the decimal point. Count 2 digits from the right side and put the decimal. So the cost of 5 notebooks is £14.25. And we need to work out how much change from 20 pounds. Take away £14.25 from 20 pounds and use placeholders and do borrowing subtraction. So we get £5.75 So the answer is £5.75. A fruit seller sells apples at 50p each and oranges at 80p each. If Jenny buys 8 apples and 5 oranges, how much does she spend in total? Pause the video and solve. Each apple costs 50p and there are 8 apples. 50p times 8 is 4 pounds. And each orange costs 80p and there are 5 oranges. 80p times 5 is 4 pounds and the total cost is 8 pounds. The answer is 8 pounds. Thanks for watching. We will be posting video on complex problems using money. Please subscribe to Maths Tuition Hub and get notified by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.